Hi, I'm Katie from Big Agnes, and I'm here to talk about our 1-pound Kings Canyon ultralight quilt. This ultralight quilt packs down so small. It's ideal for stashing your pack on hut trips, your travel bag for spontaneous couch surfing or overnight flights, or for balmy nights in the backcountry when you don't need a full sleeping bag. It's designed as a simple, insulating cover that you can tuck around yourself using the top corner hand pockets. The Kings Canyon quilt can also be used inside or over your sleeping bag for an additional layer. Slide any size or shape of pad into the small pad pocket at the foot of the quilt, connecting your quilt and pad together. PrimaLoft Silver insulation and a quilted construction make this quilt the multi-use layer for any time and anywhere. Pertex ripstop nylon is an ultralight, silky soft material that packs down easily into the included stuff sack. Keep the Kings Canyon ultralight quilt in the back of your truck or in your pack for an extra layer of year-round warmth.